Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're answering a question we get a lot. Who makes Mr. Cool products? Whether it's their mini splits, furnaces, or heat pumps, we'll uncover the manufacturer behind this popular brand and what makes their products stand out. Before we dive into the video, make sure to subscribe, smash that like button, and leave a comment below. Overview of Mr. Cool as a brand. Mr. Cool is an innovative brand in the HVAC market, well known for their DIY-friendly mini splits, heat pumps, furnaces, and other heating and cooling systems. Their focus is on providing affordable, energy-efficient, and easy-to-install HVAC solutions for homeowners. Key highlights about Mr. Cool. Founded in the United States, the company designs its products with the DIY market in mind. They stand out for features like pre-charged refrigerant line sets and smart home compatibility, making their products user-friendly and modern. Who makes Mr. Cool products? First, manufacturing partnerships. While Mr. Cool is an American company that designs and markets their products, the manufacturing is often outsourced to trusted HVAC factories, primarily located in Asia. These factories have years of expertise in producing high-quality HVAC components for global markets. Second, in-house design. Mr. Cool retains full control over the design, technology, and quality standards of their products. This ensures their systems meet the unique needs of their target audience, particularly homeowners who value convenience and affordability. Third, key manufacturing countries. Most Mr. Cool products, including mini splits, furnaces, and heat pumps, are manufactured in countries like China and South Korea. These regions are known for their advanced HVAC manufacturing facilities and strict quality control processes. Specific products and their origin. 1. Mr. Cool Mini Splits. Mini splits are one of Mr. Cool's most popular products, known for their DIY installation and smart features. These systems are typically manufactured in Asia by HVAC specialists that produce components for multiple global brands. Second, Mr. Cool Furnaces. Mr. Cool furnaces are designed to deliver reliable heating solutions for homes in colder climates. Like their mini splits, these are produced in state-of-the-art facilities that adhere to strict industry standards. 3. Mr. Cool Heat Pumps. Their heat pumps, including the Universal Series, are a standout product, offering dual heating and cooling functions with high efficiency. These units are produced using the latest technology, often from factories with years of experience in crafting energy-efficient HVAC systems. 4. Quality assurance. While the manufacturing occurs overseas, Mr. Cool implements rigorous quality assurance processes to ensure their products meet U.S. standards and regulations, including SEER ratings for energy efficiency and safety certifications. Subscribe, leave a comment, and smash the like bar. Why choose Mr. Cool? 1. Innovative features. DIY-friendly designs like pre-charged refrigerant line sets eliminate the need for professional HVAC installation. Smart home compatibility allows control through apps or voice assistants like Alexa and Google Home. 2. Affordable pricing. By outsourcing manufacturing, Mr. Cool keeps costs low while maintaining quality, making their products budget-friendly without sacrificing performance. 3. Accessibility. Their systems are widely available across major retailers like Amazon, Home Depot, and a Home Selection, making it easy to purchase and install. Comparing Mr. Cool to competitors. How does Mr. Cool stack up against brands like Mitsubishi or Daikin? 1-point DIY advantage. Mr. Cool is unique in its focus on the DIY market, while competitors often require professional installation. 2. Cost. Mr. Cool offers more budget-friendly options compared to high-end brands. 3. Features. While competitors may provide slightly more robust systems, Mr. Cool excels in user-friendliness and innovative designs tailored to homeowners. So, who makes Mr. Cool products? While the design and innovation come from the U.S., the manufacturing is handled by highly skilled facilities overseas, ensuring quality and affordability. If you're looking for an HVAC brand that combines cutting-edge features with ease of use, Mr. Cool is a solid choice. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Have you tried a Mr. Cool product? We'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for watching. Stay cool, stay comfortable, and we'll see you in the next video.